Hi, in this section we will install Office applications. Office applications are the programs that we use for Office tasks like a word processor or a spreadsheet, a ebook reader or a PDF reader. And also we're using LibreOffice for Office Suite. And LibreOffice can install modular, like I only install LibreOffice Writer and LibreOffice Calc here. But as an options, I have listing some of other packets of the LibreOffice suite, like LibreOffice Base, a database program, is equivalent to Microsoft Access, and like here, LibreOffice Impress is a presentations program and it's kind of an alternative for Microsoft PowerPoint. And as always, the first thing we need to do is to add the PPA for any program that needs PPA in a sections. And one thing I want to say here, LibreOffice actually in the official repository of Ubuntu, but it's kind of outdated, so I want you to have the latest LibreOffice. So we will using PPA instead of official repository. And my password. Oh, wrong. Enter to continue to add. And as always, we need to update the repository after you adding any repository. And I will pause the video here. Okay, the repository has been updated. We have some error, has some mismatch. It's due to the server for this repository had down or something. This is not an important error. And the next thing we will do is to copy paste the command to install all the packets for this section. Enter. Need to get 15 megabyte. Okay, so all the packets have been installed. Let's starting it. So LibreOffice, enter. This is for starting the Office suite, LibreOffice suite. Writer. Okay. Calc. Okay. These two programs we have been installed. So we can start it individually. So Calc should. Okay. So the next will be FB Reader. Here, FB Reader. It can read a lot of ebook format like ebook or mobile here. So discover it yourself. And okay, basically this command is just install FB Reader and LibreOffice Calc, LibreOffice Writer. I will show you how to install Forces Reader in the next video.